Okay, I've just put this around the back. It comes in here, here, and here. So this will just help shield it where the tarp's not going. There's a couple of roosters. One does not make any noise. The other, there's two that make noises. One there doesn't make noise, the other one does. Some of them are just lying and sunbaking in the sun, and honestly they look dead when they're lying there. I sometimes go to film them and I think, oh, they'll just look spooky. Hi girls, what you doing down here? Everything's noisy. I'm going to spray some flies. Hi my darlings. Hi. That's nice, isn't it? I'm going to grow some more plants that they can eat. Hey, and then look here. How nice. You're not allowed to go off the deck. They don't. I know. You don't have to run away. I'm not going to catch you. I'm not going to catch you. You're good girls. Hey. Hey. Can't see anything. I'm going to just spray some flies in a minute. Okay, everyone. Okay.